Good day, guys. Good day, guys. How has been your day? Good day, good day, good day. If you can hear me, comment if you can hear me. Hope your day has been great. Please confirm you hear me loud and clear. Confirm you can see my screen. Have you taken any trade today? Have you executed any trade today? Like I did advise that you wait for NFP, wait for non-farm payroll data to be released before you take a trade. You would see after the from 11 to now, price has been ranging on the major currency pairs. You can see that price has been ranging on the major currency pairs, and that's because of NFP. Okay, so on 132, NFP has been released. Let's check the data. NFP has been released. Positive for the dollar. Positive for the dollar. Positive for the dollar. Okay. Data is positive for the dollar. So we expect dollar to be bullish. We expect dollar to be bullish. Unemployment rate is 4.2 as expected. 4.2 as expected, and average hourly earnings is 0.2. That's one difference of 0.1%. Okay, and non-farm payroll, and the difference is much. The difference is much. You can see 138. That's the forecast, and the actual data is 177. You can see that the difference is much. So we expect dollar to be bullish. We expect dollar to be bullish. We expect dollar to be bullish. Let's see trading view. Let's see GBP USD should be selling now. Let's see GBP USD. Okay. So GBP USD 4-hour. This is bearish. This is bearish. This is bearish. Okay. GBP USD is bearish at the moment. GBP USD is bearish at the moment. Okay, it is bearish at the moment. Okay, let's see what we have on 1 hour. Okay, so it is bearish at the moment. The news favored dollar. It favored dollar. So this is bearish. Okay, this is bearish. Has broken this support. It has broken this support. This is bearish setup. Okay. Well, I personally would want to see price do a little retracement before selling. I would like to see price retrace before selling. Okay, let's say 15 minutes. Okay, so yeah, on 15 minutes, I would like to see price pull back to, let's see if it can pull back to this area, this support area, turn resistance. Okay, I would like to see price pull back to this area before going bearish on GBP USD. Okay, I would like to see price pull back to this area before going bullish on USD, on GBP USD. Okay, let's see DXY. What's happening on DXY? Okay, so you can see DXY. This is 15 minutes time frame. Let's start with 4 hour. So on 4 hour, you can see, okay, you can see the previous candle was an hammer. Okay, it was an hammer. Let's see 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour. So I would love to see retracement on DXY. Okay, so I'd like to see DXY pull back to. I'd like to see it pull back to this level. This mitigation here, I'd like to see it pull back to test this level before going bearish. Sorry, bullish. Okay, I'd like to see it trace to this area, this level, before going bullish. Okay, so that's my take on GBP, on US dollar index. Okay. I want to see it pull back to this area. Okay, I want to see it pull back to this area before before going bullish. It should come, it will create a fair value gap. There should be a fair value gap at this point. Okay. Okay, so that's my expectation. Yeah, that's my expectation. Price should pull back to fill this gap before going bullish or that index. I hope that is clear. If you have any question, please let me know. Drop it in the comment section. If you have any question, I believe you can hear me. Okay, so that's my take on US dollar index. Okay, bullish. Bullish, but wait for a retracement before you buy. Wait for a retracement before you buy. Okay. Let's look at which other instrument do you want us to look at? GBP, JPY. Like I shared with you guys in the morning, wait for a retracement before you sell GBP, JPY. The buyers on GBP, JPY is still bearish. Or wait for a retracement. Like I shared with you guys in the morning, wait for a retracement before you sell GBP, JPY. Wait for a retracement before you sell GBP, JPY. I hope that is clear. Any question? Any question? Is there any instrument you want us to look at? Let me know in the comment section. Is there any instrument you want us to look at? Let me know in the comment section. Okay. If you have any question, any instrument you want us to look at, let me know in the comment section. Let's see Australian dollar USD. Okay. So look for sales on Australian dollar USD. Liquidity residing at this previous high will be cleared. Okay. The liquidity residing at this previous high will be cleared. So after liquidity has been cleared, look for sales. Wait for a bearish reversal pattern to form on Australian dollar USD before you sell. Is that clear? Wait for, okay, AUD USD. I took a trade on AUD USD. That trade has hit my TP. It has hit my TP. Okay, so wait patiently. Since the dollar is bullish, wait for liquidity to be cleared. After liquidity gets cleared, wait for a bearish reversal pattern to form and you sell Australian dollar USD. Is that clear? Is that clear? Any question? Any question? Let's see USJPY. USJPY should be bullish. USJPY should be bullish. Let's see. Okay. Start with 4-hour time frame. Look for buys on USJPY. Okay. See 1 hour. Okay. You wait for 1 hour candle to close above this high. If 1 hour candle closes above this high, you could look for buys on USDJPY. Okay. If a bullish candle, 1 hour candle closes above this high, you could look for buys on USDJPY. Okay. Wait for 1 hour candle to close above. You can see here we have mitigation on 15 minutes frame. This is mitigation. You wait for 1 hour candle to close above this high before you go bullish on USDJPY. I hope that is clear. Any question? Any question? Is there any instrument you want us to look at? Let me know in the comment section. Any question? Any question? Please ensure you apply good risk and money management. Ensure you apply good risk and money management. Don't over leverage. Okay. Let's see gold. Let's see gold. Gold. Okay. Gold should be bearish. Should be bearish. Gold should be bearish. Okay. Gold should be bearish. Gold should be bearish. Let's see 4-hour time frame. Okay, so if the current 4-hour closes bearish, if it closes bearish, if the current 4-hour closes bearish, I think this candle will close by 2 or by 3 p.m. Okay, this candle, this 4-hour candle will close by 3 p.m. Then you can look for sales. Let's see what we have on 1 hour. Okay, so you could look for sales below. If 1 hour candle closes below the low of this candle, if 1 hour closes below the low of this candle, you could look for sales on gold. Okay, you could look for sales. You could look for sales below this zone on gold. Okay, on gold. Okay, on gold. Okay, so look for sales. If gold closes below this zone, then you could consider selling gold. Okay, consider selling gold below this zone. I hope that is clear. Any question? Any question? Any question? Any question? Any question? Any question? Any question, guys? Any question? Any question? Any question, guys? Any question? All right, so I think that will be all for this session. If there are no questions, I would have to end the stream. If there are no questions, I would have to end the stream. Do you have any question? Any instrument you want me to analyze? Let me know in the comment section. Okay. Any question? Any question? All right, so no question. Appreciate you all for your participation, and I wish you guys a profitable trading day. Enjoy the rest of the day. Bye for now.